My guy had a stress. I made a special word for us to play in. I only did a little. I've been doing a lot of slime racher, and I pretty much completed the game and everything in my first game. And yeah, this is the video. No one knows who or what created the mechanic slime gadgets that are found on the range. Gates, gadgets, whatever. So guys, this is the game. If you guys have played Slime Rancher, yes, you have. This floor you never seen. You've never seen this floor. Well, it's the... I can't tell you yet. Okay, I have to use my webcam first. I hit X. There we go. Now we're done to it. No. Come back here, you guys, you plebs. Plebs, come back. Don't mind if I take a little care of you. Hey, Pinks, eat up your vegetables. Look. If you guys have played Slime Rancher, you've seen every floor except this one. But I'm not going to tell you what that is. Now, maybe follow tonight. Yes. Did I make it in? Barely missed it. No. You're supposed to make it. Nothing! Look how little my money is. My money's only 300. I want to explore the dry reef. Ooh, what's this? Treasure pod is locked. What do you mean? I know what it is. No, I forgot. I don't have the jetpack. Yeah. Guys, just water. Da 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 da. You know what makes things speed up? Yeah. And I have a mod where I can. No! Back here. Phase limit. Way too early for me. Uh, I don't feel like. Oh yeah, I can pick up tar. Those evil dudes. Slimes. Wherever you are. Huh, now. That should be enough. No, 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 no. No more face lemons. First auto pop. What's this? Get out of my way. I think I'm under the. No, no, no. I don't want to lose my head. Oh! Like I lost my head. Ah. There. Doris. Doris. What is it? I don't care about reading this. Day 3! This thingy about could let me do this, do like this. Haha. Guess use the bed. And I could have it in front. Energies. Look, I'm sprinting, no energy. And no infinite health. And I have a little trick on my sleeve. Puppies! What did I just see over here? You try to escape? No. Stop. Oh, these guys jump out. Think about that now, boys. So that it's infinite moneyness. Ding, 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 ding. And that, now hold 50. Make it splash. Okay, I'm gonna need that back. You know I'm gonna need that. I'm gonna Listen to what? Get out. Hate it! You know you just did a little remember stealing. Ah, come back! Guys, I want to show you something better confused. You know how I went in here and max all? That means I have teep. I said teep. Oh, I have to go to a lab. Since I have infinite money, free. 10,000? Who cares? I have almost a million. Actually, I don't know. Because you see, there's a 100,000, 10,000, and time to get crap. Watch this. Ooh. I feel like I'm being bored. Purchase. I just can't do anything. I just make it all infinite. I have infinite money and billions. Everything, and since that's that, I only have 3 minutes left of this video because it can only go up to 15 minutes, and this is 12. So I could do one more achievement, then I have to end the video and make a new one. Let's just do this for fun. Now, hey, I want chocolate tap floor. I want to go to the lab. I did all. Okay, bye bye. I could just do this.